I'm Ella from HXC Precision. Today I'm in our CNC workshop. Behind me, you can see so many brand new high-precision CNC machines. We have a total 200 CNC machines, including 20 X5 axis. On the right side, you can see one brand new 5-axis machine. They work very high efficient. They can manufacture in different locations at the same time, and their accuracy is very high. It can reach to 0.01 millimeter. On the left side, those are 3-axis, 4-axis CNC machine. The accuracy is also behave well. It can also reach to 0.01 millimeter. We can manufacture all kinds of plastic and metal material. For metal material, aluminum, copper, steel. For plastic material, they commonly use the POM, PMA, HXC, and some special material you may need it. You can also inquire us. We will make a manufacturing analysis according to your design. So if you have any relevant project, you can feel free to inquire us. We have served so many customers from all kinds of business areas like automotive, consumer electronics, home appliance. I'm Ella from HXC Precision. That's all my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.